Alright, hey guys, I'm finished with the panel, well, at least with the whole circuit of the panel. But I'm not done with this enclosure yet, and I'm not done with putting up stuff onto the board, cause, because of school, I wasn't able to put stuff on the board. I had so much things to do at school, but now I finally get to, and I'm going to put stuff tomorrow, and then after I put the stuff on the board tomorrow, I'm going to do system test 7 immediately. But for now, it's not a system test, it's a panel demo with a little bit of test, but not really a system test. So first, let me tell you a bit of the functions of the panel. First of all, for now, it's taking power from a 9-volt battery so that it won't overpower the siren strobe. Because I noticed this only takes 12 volts, not 24 volts. It's 12 volts is its maximum, sorry. So it's taking power from a 9-volt battery, and then it goes all the way here. This is the positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. I know that there's negative charge here. This switch, it is for to like shut down the whole power of the system, or to reset a smoke detector on the system. So yeah, you could also turn this off if you're making a change for your devices and avoid doing a short circuit. So yeah, and then the current goes all the way here. It goes to this switch over here. This is the testing switch. Oh yeah, well, right now it's closed, but these two terminals are for the zones. So right now this is one of the zones, by the way. Ignore these two wires, the green one and the white one. So these two wires, they're going into this cable and they're going through here. It goes to the pull station. So if the pull station it opens, it lets the power from here to sorry. Right now there's some power over here, but the power isn't going here yet. So if the pull station opens this it like lets go of the energy, then the system would go into alarm. Right now the pull station is closed and the switch is closed. When the switch is open, the system goes to an alarm temporarily. This is a press switch, so if you release it, the system turns off. Anyways, now what are these two terminals for? These two terminals is for the strobe. Right now, this is a siren strobe, but I disabled the siren by doing a lot of workarounds and by opening the whole device. It's so easy, unless you're careful not to cut some of the wires, like off, and then you're just stuck with a non-working device. Anyways, these two go to the alarm. So what happens is that when this part of the circuit is open, this gets power and the horn gets power. But what happens with this switch is that the horn, it won't get any power. Only the siren strobe is getting the power, because this switch is blocking power going to the horn, but there's still power going to the siren strobe because it's not on the closing part of this switch. This is the silence and reset switch. So yeah. Oh, and what are these two terminals for? Obviously, these are for the horn. Now, if you have a 4-wire horn strobe, you could connect these to the horn, and you can connect these to the strobe. So yeah. So I guess let's demonstrate. Yeah, The mini horn is in my closet, but I'm lazy to check it. Yeah, you can hear some small whooping sounds, but it's coming from the IC of the siren strobe. It's not like really sounding. It's just the IC that's kind of powerful. Now watch what happens when I silence the horn. There's still current going to the strobe. It's because these two terminals, they're still active. They aren't on the closing part of this switch. So yeah. But what happens if I reset the pull station? Oh wait, I hid my key somewhere. There it is. Now, there's still audible sirens, right? And this part of the circuit is open. But when I reset the pull station, the strobe closes. It doesn't continue flashing. It's because the pull station, it closed this part of the circuit. Unless I still do this. Because this system, it's just a circuit. It doesn't use relays or anything. So I won't be able to realarm or anything. But anyway, that's the way it goes. And here's the test button. So these are quite easy to make. This is how I started out on my first channel. This is my second channel right now. But in my first channel, I did the same technique. So, and by the way, these are some snap circuit parts, if you haven't noticed, or if you did. So, yeah, stay tuned for System Test 7. I promise I'll put the stuff on the board. I wasn't able to put stuff onto the board because of school and stuff. So, yeah, bye.